Clyde, get out of here. Go home. I don't think we ever need Clyde in the corral. Everywhere else.
Face, I get her by the head. Get back, Clyde! Hey! How about this, bud?
Oof. Rough.
You have to replace that. Replace this whole thing.
We gotta do something about the floor in here.
You have to take this off, take all these rocks out, reinforce it, and put all the rocks back in.
Yep. Well, it's been what, like 16 hours since we got the screwworms out?
Yeah.
Something like that. Not 24 yet.
No. Hadn't been.
So we're just gonna take a look at it and spray it up. Now I'm wondering how long until some of the other warts fall off that we'll have to spray so that she won't get screwworms again. What's the plan?
Let's see if we can put these two bars back in there again.
Okay. Oh.
Back. Get back. Oh, no.
Oh.
Get back, Clyde. No. Come here. Come here. Come over here.
Oh. Get back, Clyde. Get out of here.
Yeah. Ho.
Go, Clyde.
Go away, Clyde. Now go there and stare towards me.
Oh. Oh. Get out of here, Clyde. Go.
Ho.
Well, I had her.
She can go through there.
I don't think we ever need Clyde in the corral. Everywhere else.
Face, I get her by the head. Get her by her head. Had her twice. Got her by the snout. That's way hard.
I keep forgetting in the morning to practice with my rope. Still need to stretch it out. I'm gonna start doing that. Clyde, get out of here. Go home.
Go away.
Clyde almost got kicked in the face. All right, well, you may put the blue one behind her, maybe?
I'll try. Hold on.
Rope her first.
Get back, Clyde. Get back. Go home. Go. Get back, Clyde. Hey. Oh.
It's on that left side. It's hard to even see it. I see flies going around it. Yeah, well, because she probably licked the separate core off from yesterday.
All that blood is from the blood leaking out.
Okay.
It washes it out. That's why it's so important. Spray it till it dries up.
I have no doubt it's closed up. I can barely see it.
You hold this rope.
Yeah. It's all good, girl.
Alright, like. You can take the rope out from it.
It's all good, girl. Let me take the rope off you. There you go. Wasn't that bad. All sprayed up now. I have no doubt it's closed up. I couldn't see a real clear shot of that, but she's got other warts too we sprayed. It's all good, girl. Out to the pasture.
Dude, do not go over there.
Yeah.
Pouring gas on us, picking shit out of us, spraying us, chasing us.
Yeah, I think she's more worried about the spray.
All right, we did it.
Still have 100% success rate with removal of screwworms. Here they all come. It's all good, girl. Go get some water and minerals. I think we've got maybe like 10 to 15 more, and then I'll go close the gate. Gate over here.